been your highlights of this week?
The steam journey really, and up to from Aviemore to
Bowden Garden
and
Broomhill.
we did learn from Jim that they are extending the line, which will be good news in the future for future groups.
Oh, wonderful! Yeah, it's there's been many highlights for me on the holiday, but I've got to say that was one of the outstanding ones. Absolutely fantastic.
Yes, ladies and gents, we're slowly coming back into the station. You see the engine run by you on the right hand side. Broomhill is also known as Glenbogle, and that's a little station that features in Monarch of the Glen. Once you get pulled into the station, you have approximately a quarter of an hour for which to have a walk around the station. There's a little shop that sells books, postcards, sweets, shortbread, and they're always willing to take your money.
It's always nice to get behind a steam engine and feel the pull, the surge and the beat of the exhaust.
It's one that's long gone, I think, really, but it's been an absolutely superb afternoon, and once again everything's been perfectly, and it's unbelievably good.
It's nice to be able to get round and experience these heritage railways, and one this far from home.